Hello, welcome to MarineMax of Savannah. I just want to take a second and tell you about this new 2021 Montauk that we just got in. This particular one is Glacier Green. We ordered it with the hardtop with the underside painted to match the Glacier Green gel coat, so it's a really good looking boat. Start off back here in the transom. You have two jump seats that pull up, nice high back seats, and then when you fold them down, you still have a great casting platform, nice solid area to stand on when you're fishing. This boat has a raw water washdown. It's powered by the Mercury V6 200 Verado, so a really good power combination for this boat. Same jump seat on the other side here, folds up and down, so nice package. Two stainless steel cup holders in the stern, and some floor lighting that really is nice at nighttime. So this has a flip flop seat. Underneath you have the livewell that's lighted, so at nighttime if you're trout fishing it's easy to see your bait, with two rod holders across the back for trolling or whatever you may be doing. Also have rocket launchers across the back of the hardtop, and then a mesh canvas bag for storing a couple life jackets and maybe a throwable cushion. And then on the dash you have plenty of room. This customer is putting a 10-inch Garmin in the dash of this boat. We have USB port and a 12-volt plug for spotlight, cell phone chargers, whatever you may have. Fusion stereo. This boat has an optional glove box, great for phones, wallets when you're out on the boat. Compass and Mercury digital gauges for gallons per hour, estimated fuel range. A lot of information that you can get off of your engine through these gauges. This boat has the trim tabs with indicators, digital shift and throttle, docking mode, start stop is here. So that's a really nice digital shift and throttle on this boat. You can see it's powder coated. And this one has the teak steps for boarding on either side. On this boat we did the trolling motor panel in the front. So that deletes the bow rail, so you have a low rail on either side with removable backrest for the front seating area. You have an anchor locker forward here, the gas assisted shock, which is nice, finished fiberglass on both sides. Then you have a fish box that goes crossways from beam all the way across, nice insulated fish box. You have a 94 quart cooler here. So plenty of room to walk around. J&L audio speakers in the front, so the sound is really great on this boat. On this side of the console we have a door that opens up, and this boat has the optional head. And in there we currently have the covers. On this boat we ordered the combination console and helm seat cover. So over the windshield, back to here, covers up. It has a zipper here that you can put a cooler or you can store some different things in between there, which I like that. This boat has a light here, so when you're at the helm you have some light on your feet. And then underneath it has a fire extinguisher holder, so it's easy to get to in case you have an emergency. So give us a call about the 2021 Montauk, MarineMax Savannah, 912-897-9881. Thank you very much.